Diabetes, also known as the silent killer, is a chronic metabolic disease that appears when the pancreas doesn't produce the right amount of insulin or when the cells in your body resist it. Insulin is a hormone that regulates glucose/sugar in the blood. This opens the cells and lets in glucose so it can be used as energy. When you have diabetes, your cells aren't able to use the glucose in your blood, so your glucose levels begin to rise, causing you to enter a hyperglycemic state, which can lead to severe damage to the heart, blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerves over time. However, with prompt diagnosis and proper treatment, it is possible to control the disease and prevent complications. Therefore, it is very important that you learn to detect symptoms that I will mention in a bit. Symptom number 1, polyuria. This means there's an increase in the number of micturitions or the times you have to go to the bathroom to pee, even at night. What happens when you have diabetes is that the increase of glucose in the blood causes kidneys to work harder to filter it and get rid of it when peeing, therefore increasing the urge and the number of times you pee. This situation causes the body to lose fluid, which then causes dehydration. This leads us to the next symptom. Number 2, polydipsia. This refers to being excessively thirsty, because when dehydration occurs, our body will find a way to replenish fluids, which will make you thirstier and drink more water. However, as you drink more water, you will also start to urinate more, which ends up becoming a vicious cycle. Symptom number 3, polyphagia. This is the abnormal increase in the need to eat. That's when the patient is more hungry than usual. This happens when your cells cannot use glucose from food since the right amount of insulin is not being produced, or when the cells are resisting it. Therefore, your body will interpret this as if you're not eating properly. As a result, your body will signal you to eat more to try and get glucose as a source of energy for your cells. Number 4, fatigue and being tired frequently. These symptoms occur because your cells aren't able to use glucose as a source of energy. Added to this, the state of dehydration caused by the increase in the number of micturitions can also cause tiredness. Also, the fact that you have to get up at night to urinate causes your sleep to be interrupted, therefore you don't have a restful sleep. And in the mornings, you can wake up tired and sleepy. Number 5, Acanthosis nigricans. It is the presence of velvety dark spots in certain parts of your body. For example, the neck region, armpits, groin, elbows, among other parts. This is a result of insulin resistance. Number 6, blurred vision. High levels of glucose in the blood can trigger alterations in various structures of the eye, which can cause blurred vision. In addition, this also affects the small blood vessels in the eye, which can cause blurred vision. This can occur in one or both eyes. If a person with diabetes is not treated and their glucose levels are not controlled, damage to these blood cells can be more severe and even irreversible, which could even lead to permanent vision loss. Number 7, slow healing wounds. This happens because the increase of glucose levels in the blood can cause damage to the blood vessels, which causes the cells that travel through the bloodstream and that are responsible for repairing injured sites and fighting microorganisms are not able to reach these injuries. This causes the healing process to be slower and there is a greater risk of infection. Number 8, feeling tingling, numbness or pain in hands and feet. High glucose levels in the blood can cause nerve damage. Therefore, people can feel tingling or feel like their hands or feet are burning. If a person does not receive treatment and their glucose levels are not controlled, the situation can worsen over time and even cause more serious complications. Number 9, frequent infections. High sugar levels in the blood and urine provides the perfect environment for microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi to proliferate, causing infections mainly produced by fungi that love sugar and grow easily in warm and moist areas such as armpits, the genital area, and mouth. There may be redness, burning, itching, and even pain in the areas infected. And well, everyone, this has been all for today's video. If you like this information, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. If you learn to detect the symptoms of diabetes in a timely manner and receive adequate treatment, it can help you to have a better life quality and avoid complications. Without anything else to add for the moment, I am Dr. Pau Zúñiga, and see you in the next video. Bye everyone!